How's everybody doing today? So I've been playing with this new Insta 360 cam. People have been asking about it. This is day 3. The photos are incredible with the thing. The video, when I watch it at home on the computer, man, it's awesome. It's really simple to work, simple to operate through the app on the phone. You get it through the iPhone app at your app store. You can pick them up at an Apple store. And people are asking how it goes on, but I've taken this aluminum pole, grip lock tie there, and then of course gaffer's tape on the pole itself, which it comes with. And literally you just take the stick and screw it on. I'm gonna use 2 hands and shut this off so I can make sure it's tight, but that's it. As simple as that. Then I control it from the inside with the phone on the app, and you can control pictures, shutters, the whole deal. I dig it. Check it out. We're gonna go do a little flight over Tahoe, see if we can capture some footage. But anyway, I just put a little stuff together here on this camera, the new Insta 360 1X cam. I hope you like it. This is my first video trying to use it, and give me your feedback.
In the stillness somewhere above, the city lights, you're falling in love. Still aware, you know it is true, that you are lost and this is a clue. Love is forever, love is forever. To believe you gotta let go. Light as a feather, light as a feather. Lucid dreaming over Tokyo. Love is forever, love is forever. Love is forever, love is forever. With the music still in your ears, you're on your way to conquer your fears. In this dream of your own desire, there is someone calling your name. Love is forever, love is forever. To believe you gotta let go. Light as a feather, light as a feather. Lucid dreaming over Tokyo. Love is forever. Love is forever. Love is forever. To believe you gotta let go. Lucid dreaming over Tokyo.
Just close your eyes.
And when you wake up, you know what you need to do.
Just close your eyes.
Someone's been waiting for you. Just close your eyes.
Just close your eyes.
I would never ask you to give up things. I just wanna give you all I can. There's nothing but you, baby, and I can't get enough. There's something that you give me, and I can't get enough. You don't need to tell me that you love me. I don't mind waiting for it to show. Something but you, baby, and I can't get enough. There's something that you give me, and I can't get enough. Ooh, yeah. Don't tell me I don't stand a chance. Ooh, yeah. For you, I'll be a different man. Ooh, yeah. This is where I'm meant to be. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. So I wanna start an illusion with you. Yeah, I wanna start an illusion with you. This is where I'm meant to be. You show me the ropes, I hold you tightly. Never let you go or let you down. There's something but you, baby, and I can't get enough. There's something that you give me, and I can't get enough. Ooh, yeah. Don't tell me I don't stand a chance, 'cause ooh, yeah. For you, I'll be a different man. Ooh, yeah. This is where I'm meant to be. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. 'Cause I wanna start a revolution with you.
Remember to subscribe, hit that little ding-a-ling for notifications. Thank you. This old house